What's up, guys? This is a 2021 Corvette C8 3LT Z51 package. Beautiful red exterior and black interior. Black rims. It has a lot of carbon fiber. So we'll go ahead and do a tour, and then at the end we'll go ahead and listen to the exhaust sound close up. So for now, here's the remote. You can actually turn on the car. You can open the front trunk, open the locks, close the locks, close the car, or double tap to go ahead and start the engine. Let's start the engine. Ooh, yeah, can you hear that? Beautiful sound from that V8. So we'll go ahead and turn it off for now, and then I'll do a close-up sound of the exhaust at the end. So let's do a quick tour here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the sun shining on that paint, but that paint is absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, there's another red that Corvette has, but this one is just amazing. It's almost candy apple red. Yeah, you have the carbon fiber lip right there. Look at that beauty. Beautiful headlights right here. And then the wheels, they are 19s in the front and 20s in the back. So this one's got the Michelin Pilot Sport S tires. And then you can see the carbon fiber down there, of course. And then you can see carbon fiber right here on the mirror. And then you do have carbon fiber right here as well. Let's take it all in from the side. Definitely looks like a supercar. No question about that. So the rear wheels are 20s. And the tires are 305/30 ZR20s in the back. So here's the spoiler, and these pieces are carbon fiber. Of course, the beautiful V8 engine is housed right there. And it does have the T-top. Four exhaust pipes. Two on each side. And these air intakes right here on the side, they look quite good. And the button, so where's the door handle? So there's a switch under here to open the door. There we go. So let's look at the front and the trunk, and then we'll look at the inside. So when you open the driver's side door, there are two buttons down here. One for the trunk, one for the front. And to open the door, when you unlock it, you just push that button and it opens. So let's look at the trunk and the engine. So you do have some space right here. You could probably fit a golf bag. I don't play golf often, so here's a backpack. You can see how big it is. The backpack is full. So you do have quite a bit of room. Not bad at all. And the engine is right here. And there are lights right here As you can see, the LED lights, those are turned on even at night, so it's showcasing the engine at night as well, and I think that's a great idea. Let's look at the front, see how much space we have. So yeah, definitely not bad at all. I could fit at least 2 of those backpacks, maybe even 3 in this frunk. So it's definitely a good amount of space. All right, let's show you the car with the rear hatch open. So let's take a look at the inside. So I already showed you over here, lock, unlock. So lock, unlock, open the door. And you do have the switches for the windows. And you can adjust the mirrors right here. You have 2 memory seats right here. You do have the Bose sound system, which sounds pretty good. And right here, says Stingray. Very cool. And let's take a look at the interior. Yeah, it's a beautiful, comfortable interior. So over here you can turn on and off the heads-up display, change how bright the screen is. You have a vent right here. So to get in, it is kind of tough. You kind of have to melt into it, just like a lot of sports cars. So here's the headrest. You do have some carbon right here too. Yeah, there's just a lot of carbon, which is beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and sit inside. So the steering wheel, it is flat on top and flat on the bottom. And the cool thing is, you can see, let's turn on the car just so you can see the gauges. So because the top is flat, you can view the entire gauge, which is a big plus, because a lot of times they're rounded and they do cut off the gauges right there. And then you have these metal manual shifters right here. They are very fast, so we'll do another video for that one. And here you have your entertainment screen. You can control the HVAC, music, phone, things like that. And here we have park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And that's for auto. So if you ever want to go manual, you would press this button. And you can actually go manual even in automatic. If you start shifting with these paddles, it'll go into automatic until it goes back to auto mode. But if you press the manual mode, it'll be in manual mode the entire time, so you can do sequential shifting. And over here, there's actually a knob behind this. So if you see the knob here, yeah, so you can actually turn it just a little bit. And what it does is it changes the mode, the drive mode. So if you look at the screen right there, so let's see. Yeah, so right now it says weather. It's on the bottom, right below the tachometer. And then let's turn right. And right now it's Tour, Sport, and Track. So depending on how smooth you want it and how fast you want it to go, it has that option. And it does show that the rear hatch is open on that screen. And so you do have all these switches here. So the air conditioning, seat heater, seat cooler. You can sync the HVAC. And then auto mode. I believe that is, yeah, defrost. And of course different modes of the air conditioning. How strong the fan is, power, then air conditioning. And it actually shows how many degrees right there the temperature is, the HVAC is set to. And you do have a couple of cup holders right here. And looking at the passenger side, so the passenger side also has dual memory seats right there. Then lock, unlock, open door switch, and the window switch. There are two HVAC vents here. And you do have a phone charger back here. You can put the phone in there. And this one looks like a speaker right here. And of course you can go ahead and see the engine from here if you wanted to. There we go. It'll showcase that engine whenever possible. So the T-top is right here, as you can see. There's a lever to open that right here. So let's go ahead and hear the engine. I'm going to rev up the engine and you can see how it sounds. Let's go ahead and rev it up. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this car, and remember to like and subscribe. See you at the next one.